Why are you standing here? Take his bags inside immediately.
Okay.
Hey, Leah. You have changed a lot. You are prettier than before.
Thanks. You came unannounced, Jason.
This is his house. He can come anytime.
Sorry, I was just asking.
Why are you still standing here and wasting time? I asked you to take his bags inside.
Easy, Mom. I am very hungry. Let's go inside.
Sure, honey. Stop staring and make the table for us. Go!
Mom, I got this ring for you.
Oh my God, honey. This looks beautiful.
What a surprise, Jason.
You joined us at the right time. I have got something for you. This is for you. This is a limited edition.
I love it, son.
And Leah, I have got this dress for you.
Thanks, Jason.
Do you like it? I know it's not as beautiful as you are.
She doesn't need this. She already has clothes to wear.
Well, it's a gift, and now it is hers.
Leah! Get the dress that Jason gifted you.
Sure, Auntie. Can I clean the kitchen first?
Don't brag about your work. Just go and get the dress.
When can I take it back?
You don't need it. You're not going anywhere. And besides, you don't deserve to wear such an expensive dress.
But Auntie...
Get out of here now!
You're always so busy. Can you make some time for me?
Auntie asked for tea. Let me get it to her.
It's been so long, Leah. I wanted us to share our childhood memories. You didn't even ask about how I've been doing in college.
What is going on here? I haven't got my tea yet, Leah.
Nothing, Mom. I was just thinking of taking Leah out for lunch today. It has been so long since we spent time together.
Jason, come into my room. I want to discuss something important with you.
Sure, I am coming. Get ready. You are going out for lunch.
Jason, I noticed you are showing a lot of empathy to her, just like your father. You know she is a troublemaker. Recently, I got her red-handed with our driver. They were having an affair.
Mom, it doesn't sound like her. She barely gets time for herself. You always keep her busy. And why would she do anything like that?
Are you saying that I am a liar? You and your father always blame me. And don't you think about taking her out for lunch.
Sorry, Mom. I promised her. Leah, you're still not ready? I told you we are going for lunch.
I am ready, Jason.
You will go like this?
Yeah,
How about you wear the dress that I gifted you?
I will wear it to your party.
All right.
Hey, Stella, when will you come? This girl is getting on my nerves now.
Why are you taking her seriously? When Jason meets Zoe, he will forget about that poor girl.
I think you are right. Have you talked to Sandy? I want her to come with Zoe so that Jason can meet her.
Yeah, Sandy joined some NGO, and she is busy doing fundraising and campaigns.
I see. I am also thinking about arranging a party for Jason next week.
Leah, why didn't you continue your studies?
You know Jason Auntie doesn't like it.
I often feel nostalgic about the time we spent together. I miss the old days.
Me too. But now we are grown up and you have responsibility. I am grateful for what I have.
I see you have good bonding with Dad. I noticed yesterday that he feels happy when he talks about you.
Yeah, he's my biggest supporter.
Honey, what are the plans for the party? Have you decided anything yet?
Yeah, I am thinking about next week. I invited all my friends to meet my Jason.
Friends? I only remember Aunt Stella.
You don't remember Sandy? You were good friends with her daughter Zoe.
Oh, yes, Zoe. I remember that annoying girl.
Annoying? She was a very obedient girl, and I like her.
What's on your mind, honey?
I like her for Jason. What do you think, Jason?
It's been 15 years, Mom. At least let me meet her. I hope Aunt Sandy and Zoe are coming to the party.
Hey, Stella, is Jason back home?
Yeah, he got back this week and they are arranging a party probably next week. You should come with Zoe. You know Jason's father is rich. Zoe will have a luxurious life.
This is exactly what I want for her. Nowadays, she is busy enjoying with her friends. I hope she will be back by the end of the week.
Perfect. I didn't see you in a spa last week.
Yeah, I was quite busy with fundraising.
Mom, I'm going to the mall. I need to buy a few things. Do you need something, Mom?
No, I'm waiting for Stella.
Leah, why don't you join me and get yourself something too?
Okay.
No, you cannot go. Don't you remember that you need to manage everything before the party? Honey, if you want, you can take Zoe with you.
No, that's fine. I'll go by myself.
Well, if you want, Stella and I can tag along with you.
I would be uncomfortable in the company of two beautiful ladies. Wow, Mom. This whole decoration looks amazing. I can't believe my eyes. And your dress. Oh my God.
Thanks. Well, everyone should know that my son is back. Everything has to be extraordinary. Slacker, you should be serving people instead of laughing. Don't waste your time here. Go and see if anyone needs anything.
Mom, she is a member of our family. You could have hired someone for today at least.
No, that's fine, Jason. I can do that. It's okay.
Well, that's how you pay for your father's sin. You will not get my son's empathy. Now get lost from here and take care of the party.